Hello my crafting friends. I am here today to share with you another BeeBeeCrafts project that I did over the weekend. I have been working with a couple of the elements that I received from BeeBeeCrafts, and one of the things that I have been working on is the beads. Let me see if I can get it to a point where you can see it without my hand being in the middle. This is a glue stopper, stainless steel from BeeBeeCrafts, and the beads are also from BeeBeeCrafts. As you can see, maybe it's too shiny, maybe I should use another color. Let me see what I can get, guys. Let's see if you guys can see that. And what I did is I went ahead and did the beads that I received, the purple and the lavender and a little bit of pearls, and then I added some from my stash. I attached these with the little chain that I had at home. And there's a pin, and it's perfect because it won't be oxidating in your glue. And I made a very simple one because I didn't want it to be too heavy, but you can always add more beads, more stuff to it, and give it the look that you want. I went with lavender and purple because purple family is my favorite. And I also made these bookmarks. Let me see if you can see them. Take that one out. Very beautiful bookmarks. This one also, I included the colors that were sent to me. The green, the whites, the lavenders, with some of my beads that I have had. And I added a little leaf at the bottom and a chain. Now these are the ones from BeeBeeCrafts, and they have this sleek design. I love silver. That's my color, white, gold, silver. And that's what I chose when I picked out the items that I wanted with the program. As you can see, let me see if I can show you on the book. The bookmark just goes right in there. And I will show you in a second as soon as I get it in there. Okay. And there's your beads dangling from your bookmark. That beautiful. And your bookmark just keeps a place for you. And it just makes it a lot prettier than just a plain old paper bookmark. And there you are. These are perfect for gifts. Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, or to sell at the craft store, at the craft thing. So yeah, beads and pretty things and little chain is all that I added to your bookmark. And then I have another one. This one's a Christmas themed one for Christmas. This might be a gift, or I might be selling it at a craft show. This one I put some different beads. I added my own beads to it. And you got your little penguin and your big snowflake decorated snowball. Some red in there, some more bling, and very easy. You just get one of those little, see if you can see that, ring, attach it there. Don't know all the terms for the jewelry. I'm pretty sure someone else does, but I watched a tutorial on how to make these, and I came up with this idea. So those are the 3 little things that I did with my beads. And I think they came out beautiful. Those bookmarks are amazing. I might have to order some more because there's only 5 in the packet, but I need to order more. And just make them, and then you can make your own. There's tutorials on YouTube to make your own little boxes for gift boxes. Put them in there and you can give them out to your friends and family that love reading. I think that's a great gift. So hope you like this video. Comment down below what you think. Let me know. And if you want a tutorial on how I do my beading, let me know. I can do that. Alright guys, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, like it, and share this video.